Hey everyone, welcome to today's art video. So after a month of doing my ink drawings for Inktober, I didn't do ink drawings every day, but for every art video I did one. But yeah, after doing that, I was really itching to get back into digital work again. So here I am today, working on a digital painting. Right off the bat, my initial sketch, I didn't really get the footage of it because my iPad decided to not record it. It was doing that stupid thing where I record and then when I was done and I went to turn the recording off, it showed that it wasn't even recording. But I fixed it so that I didn't have that issue for the rest of the drawing. Usually it does that to me like if there's no space to save the video, I guess. I don't know. Anyway, this is like 8 hours of footage. 8+ hours actually. I think it's like 8 hours and 30 minutes. That's like condensed down into whatever. I don't know yet because I haven't edited the raw footage yet. I usually try to make it not super long where it's boring for you guys, but also not like super like fast so you guys can't even see what's happening. There's like a middle ground I like to hit. But anyway, I started it last night and then worked on it all day today. So yeah, I actually planned on doing this as a two-parter where I worked on one of the figures for one of the videos and then next week I would do the other figure. But I got super into it and ended up working on it all day and finished it. So here we are. So if you're unfamiliar with who I'm drawing, these are the two main characters from a webcomic called Olympus. I've actually done a few fan art drawings from this comic before. I drew the main character and then I also drew one of the side characters. But I was really wanting to draw the main guy character. If you remember my last sketchbook video, I talked about how I need to practice drawing guys more and also practice drawing backgrounds more, which is kind of what this was too. But yeah, I wanted to start trying to draw guys more, and I had been wanting to do another fan art piece for this webcomic anyway, so I decided to draw Hades. So yeah, anyway, this comic, the dude is Hades and then the chick is Persephone. It's a webcomic that's like loosely based on that whole like myth, Hades and Persephone. I definitely recommend checking it out. Obviously, I really like it. I've done multiple pieces of fan art, so. But anyway, the poses and the composition and the whole piece actually is probably a little familiar to some of you. I based it off of the work The Swing, painted by Jean-Henri Fragonard, I think is how you pronounce his name. Another name for it, the longer name, is The Happy Accidents of the Swing, because it's a little cheeky and the dude can see right up the chick's skirt. Yeah. Anyway, so I thought it would be kind of cute to draw these two. In the original painting, there's a few other figures. There's like a dude that's operating the swing, and then there's like a cherub, and then there's like a few statues. I think there's like a weird mouse creature thing at the bottom. I kind of considered drawing in some of Hades' dogs, like Cerberus, and I forgot the names of his other ones, but the little poofy Pomeranian one I thought would have been cute to put on there. But ultimately I decided to just focus on these two for the drawing. So yeah, I mentioned in my sketchbook video I wanted to draw guys more, but I also wanted to draw backgrounds more, and this ended up being a good practice for doing a background. Obviously, it's not my own work. I based it off of a painting that already exists, but yeah, it was good practice for me. But yeah, anyway, I think it was decent practice for drawing guys. Obviously, this is a more cartoony version of the male figure, but I guess in that way, it was kind of a nice little way to ease into trying to draw guys more. I don't know. It was also really fun doing the background. Hopefully it's not like boring for you guys to watch. I feel like there was a lot of the progress where it looked like nothing was happening and then suddenly like there's a tree. I was trying to keep with the original feel of the painting where the background is really soft and kind of reminds me of like a pastel drawing, and then you get more and more detailed as you get closer to the viewer. So in the comic, I guess part of Persephone's powers is that she can like grow her hair out really long, like in an instant it seems like. So I went back and forth on if I wanted to draw her with really long hair or not. In the comic, she wears her hair pretty short, and it's only like when she gets really flustered or something, her hair will grow really long, and then she has to cut it because it's probably annoying to deal with that much hair all the time. So anyway, her character wears it short a lot, so that's how I initially drew it, but then I was going back and forth on if I wanted to do it long, because if I did it long, you could kind of see the movement of the swing a little bit. I did feel like it looked more like Persephone with the short hair. I asked you guys on Instagram like which one you thought looked better, and it was like pretty half and half, like for a good while, at least up until I'm making this video. I think that the short hair was winning, but like by just barely. So yeah, since that's the case, and I was already leaning towards doing short anyway because I feel like it looks more like the Persephone that I know from the comic, I decided to just do the short hair. I mean, that's how I originally sketched it and stuff, so yeah, I decided to just stick to my gut and do that. I'm going to let this one finish out. There's a lot of footage and I don't think I can keep talking over it. I don't really know what else to talk about, so I'm gonna let the music continue on and let you guys finish watching this piece.
My home's open wide. We can live here. We can die. There's nothing to fear if you try. If you keep believing, like rain falling soft from the sky, I'll tend to your needs. We can live here. We can die. and your eyes were also. All my dreams are now. I wonder where did you go? I have to know. A mirror image of my soul. I could see myself, but without the hopes. I pinched my arm just to see if you could feel what I feel. We found each other right from the start. A conversation between our hearts. I wanted more, but it was hard to get through your shield. Your hair was just so, and your eyes were also. All my dreams are now. I wonder where did you go? I have to know. Maybe I'm wrong and it's only me, and you didn't feel a thing. But I can't let it go when you're still painting images so deep within my mind, and every night in the shadows of my sleep. I cannot say I love you, cause I don't know you that well. At least let me find you so I can break this spell. Golden, golden, golden. Your hair was just so, and your eyes were also. All my dreams are now. I wonder where did you go? I have to know. Golden. Oh baby, I love your madness. It's so incredibly beautiful. Oh, you shine like gold, so selfless to all, and wild like an animal. Some would say I'm insane in the right in a way, but I just love to play in your fun and your games. Always hungry for more, that's just how I was born. Take me somewhere I don't know, and give me your freedom. Whoa, you love me to pieces, yeah, I need it. Once you're pandemonium, life is so easy. Whoa, you love me to pieces, yeah, I need it. Once you're pandemonium. The limit of love is endless, I know. Just do what you want with me. Yeah, I want it all. Could care less the cost. I give you my everything.
Alright, so we're getting to the finish line with this piece. I really, really love how it turned out. I mean, I guess the only spot that I'm not super duper happy with is the like foliage around Hades. I feel like you can kind of tell that I was over it at that point. I mean, drawing all those leaves individually is annoying. And I know that you can like use brushes and stuff, but I had already done the top leaves with the normal like pencil brush thing, so I wanted to continue that into the bottom and not have it be like two separate looks, I guess. So, yeah. But anyway, here it is, all finished. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like. Feel free to subscribe, hit that notification bell, all that good stuff. Don't forget to go check out Lore Olympus. I'll leave a link to it down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys later this week. Bye!
You love me to pieces, yeah, I need it. Once you bend them all.